I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we are going to learn how to graph a linear equation given in slope and y-intercept form. Slope and y-intercept form is y equals to mx plus b, where m is the slope, right? Where m is the slope. Let me write here slope, and b is y-intercept. Y-intercept is a point where the line crosses y-axis. So at that point x is going to be 0. If I put x 0, I get y equals to b. So that is how we get this y-intercept. So let me take few examples and then we'll see how to sketch them. So let's try to sketch a line. Let's say line 1 is y equals to 2 over 3x minus 1. So here, what is the slope and what is the y-intercept? Slope is 2 over 3 and y-intercept is minus 1. Now to sketch this line, first let's go to the point minus 1, the y-intercept. So that is the y-intercept. So begin with y-intercept. Minus 1 is y-intercept for our equation of line. And now slope is 2 over 3. Slope means rise over run, right? So rise of 2 and run of 3. That is what it means. It means rise equals to 2 and run equals to 3. So that means we can go up rise 1, 2 and run of 3 means 1, 2, 3. So we get the second point. Joining these 2 points, we can sketch. Well, 2 of 3 you can also look as rise of negative 2 and run of negative 3. Negative cancels out. You again get 2 over 3, right? In that case, it is 2 down, 1, 2. That is negative 2 rise. And run of negative 3 means left, 1, 2, 3. So you get nth point, right? So you get 3 points, which you can always join with a straight line representing the linear equation, correct? So that is how you sketch it given equation of line in slope and intercept form, right? So let me take another example. So this time we'll take a line with negative slope. So let's say y equals to minus 1 over 2x plus 2, let us say, okay? Now in this case, what is the y-intercept? Y-intercept is 2. That is the point here, right? That's the y-intercept. Slope is minus 1 over 2. So we can write slope as rise of minus 1 and run of 2, right? So minus 1 means go one step down and run of 2 means 1, 2. So that's the next point. We can join 2 points and draw a line. But there's no harm in selecting another point. This time we will take rise of plus 1 and run of minus 2. That ratio also gives us minus 1 over 2, correct? So from the y-intercept 2, let's go up 1 and minus 2 means left 2 units. So we get another point. Joining these points we can sketch our line, correct? So that is how we can sketch lines very easily if the equation is given to us in slope and intercept form. I hope the steps are absolutely clear, right? Let me take one more example, and this time we'll take y equals to, let us say, a line 5. Now if I write an equation y equals to 5, what is the slope? Slope is 0 since the first component is 0, right? But we have a y-intercept of 5, right? So how to sketch this line? So let's go to 5, which is kind of here for us. Y equals to 5. Slope of 0 means 0 rise, 0 run. So it's a horizontal line. So we can draw a horizontal line. The horizontal line, as shown here, represents y equals to 5. Remember, m is 0 in such a case. Do you understand? Now you can also get sometimes an example where you may have to sketch a line which is kind of, let me write here, y equals to 2x. Now how will you sketch this line? If you compare this line with the slope-intercept form, what is the slope here? The slope is 2 and y-intercept is 0. So you have to start with the origin, that is your y-intercept. Slope of 2 means rise of 2 and run of 1. You get a point. You would also consider 2 as minus 2 divided by minus 1, getting another point, right? I hope that is clear to you. So I'm kind of going much faster now since you got the concept, right? So we can join these points. I'm always taking 3 points to graph only to show you that rise over run, we could take negative for both the values to get the same answer. Do you understand? Well, but 2 points are enough to draw a line. Remember that part. So I've shown you all different forms in which slope and y-intercept linear equation can be written, and I hope with this you get clear idea of how to graph linear equation when it is given in slope and y-intercept form. You can subscribe to my videos and learn a lot. Thank you. All the best.